Ah, the iPhone SE. There's a new one coming and I'm really looking forward to it. But after I've read the latest rumors, I'm not looking forward to it anymore. So I was expecting a small iPhone 10 on the new iPhone SE2 and that would have been so nice. But Apple is not doing that because, yeah, this is cheap for an Apple device and they won't put their most expensive thing on the cheapest device. But what will change on the iPhone SE2, which is coming out next month probably, that's the wireless charging. You can do wireless charging with the iPhone SE2 and the code name for the new iPhone SE2, by the way, is Jaguar. It will have a glass back and it can wirelessly charge, and that's just... that's shit. Oh, and they'll probably also ditch the headphone jack, which is very cool. And yeah, that's it. That's the most amazing feature on the new iPhone SE2. It will be completely the same like this one, like really just the same. But it will have a glass back like the iPhone 4S or the iPhone 4S had. I'm suddenly not that excited anymore, unfortunately. I was really hoping for a small iPhone 10, which would have been great, but Apple. But hey, if you're watching Apple and you want to persuade me that the iPhone SE2 Jaguar thing will be amazing, well then send one over and I'll be glad to check it out. But right now I'm not really excited. After all those years you should think Apple will make something amazing. But no, they just use the same design, put a glass back on it, make it wireless for charging. Woo! iPhone SE2, money in the bank, I'm Apple. Pew, pew, pew. Oh, before I forget, don't be an Apple sheep.